When people go to work, they expect to follow a certain routine. On the other hand, many people do not realize just how common it is for someone to get hurt at work. When someone suffers a work injury, they often believe that they need to take prescription medications or undergo a serious surgical procedure. Depending on the type of injury, visiting a chiropractor could be the best option. Why is this the case? How can a chiropractor help? Continue watching to discover several important points on why chiropractic may be the best choice for your work-related injury. What are common examples of injuries that happen at work? There are several common injuries that someone may suffer at work. Injuries that involve a lot of manual labor can lead to traumatic injury. For example, those who lift heavy objects routinely may end up suffering a herniated disc. This is a serious back injury that could lead to shooting pain that travels down the arms and legs. Even someone who sits behind a desk may end up suffering serious injuries. For example, people who spend all day typing could develop something called carpal tunnel syndrome. This develops when the median nerve in the wrist becomes inflamed. If someone is unable to type, they may not be able to do their job. Fortunately, there are ways to address these issues. How does workers' compensation play a role in the recovery process? If someone is hurt and unable to work for an extended period of time, they may be eligible for something called workers' compensation. This is financial support that is designed to help someone cover the cost of medical expenses and replace lost income until they are able to return to work. Even though many people think about using workers' compensation benefits to go to the emergency room or hospital, it is also possible to use workers' compensation benefits to pay for a visit to the chiropractor. A chiropractor can help people address injuries sustained while on the job. How can a chiropractor address work-related injuries? There are several ways that a trained and experienced chiropractor can help someone address work-related injuries. These include: 1. A chiropractor will take the time to get to know each individual patient, understanding how the injury developed. 2. A chiropractor will conduct a complete physical examination, mapping out all signs and symptoms. 3. A chiropractor may also order additional studies to get a complete picture of the injury. 4. A chiropractor can use a variety of treatment options, tailoring them to meet the needs of each individual patient. There are numerous treatment options a chiropractor has at his or her disposal. These include chiropractic adjustments, traction therapy, heat therapy, massage therapy, laser therapy, and even acupuncture. The goal is to eliminate the root cause of the injury, limiting possible side effects and complications while also preventing the injury from coming back. Ultimately, these are just a few of the many important points people need to keep in mind when it comes to injuries that happen at work. Unfortunately, work injuries are far more common than many people realize. Even though some people may require surgery for traumatic injuries, it is also important to understand that a chiropractor can also use workers' compensation to help people make a full recovery. If someone is forced to miss time from work due to injury, they may be worried about how they are going to put food on the table. A chiropractor may be able to identify the root cause of someone's injury, helping someone not only get better but back to work quicker. In closing, if you've been involved in a work-related accident, make sure you seek help from your local chiropractor. If you live in the Brooksville or Spring Hill, Florida area, then make sure you give us a call at 352-684-2707. Accurate Chiropractic Clinic is conveniently located at 12082 Cortez Boulevard in Brooksville, Florida, and is properly trained and well-equipped to deal with work-related injuries just like yours. So give us a call. We're here to help.